Hello class, today we are going to learn about prefixes such as micro, pre, this, mega, and re. A prefix is a word that comes before another word, usually a root word such as plug, unplug. Is a prefix. Phone, microphone. Pay, prepay. Connect, disconnect. Byte, megabyte. Start, restart. Remember, these are the prefixes micro, pre, this, mega, and re.